So the master document is our the interview or the interview file or the RTF document, and the source document would be the one that has the list. Select the from the mailings, select recipients, choose an existing list, go to your folder and select the CSV file, that is the candidates. Open. Okay, wait, what happened over here? To use an existing list. It is a CSV file. Okay, select the encoding that makes your, so left to right. Okay, let's not change anything. I have although we don't see this option, it just automatically selects it. Yeah. Okay, now when it is successfully connected the two documents, what happens? These fields or these options would be now available. It will find the fields. How do you know that you have correctly linked the documents? You can go to the edit recipient list and you can see the fields over here: last name, first name, title, email, the ones that we saw in the CSV file, technical area, position, all the records are over here. Okay, now coming back to your paper, in the master document, replace the date with a field to display today's date in the format. Now this is not coming from the source file, it is something that you have already done in the header and footer. Select the date, you have to select and replace it. Insert date and time. If you remember the header footer, we used to do this. There is no specific yeah, there is the format is mentioned in the format DD, which is that this is this one, DD capital 4M and then 4Y. Now one thing that you can do is, if you do not find the format that they are asking, right click, okay, I cannot see it over here. There is an option toggle field code smart lookup or it's not coming over right now. Okay, I will tell you for the other field. What about the other fields? We have, here's the paper. Why don't I see the date field code? There's an should be an option toggle field codes, which I don't see. Yes, let me just save it like that, then see. Okay, let me see it later, because otherwise this should come over here, the toggle field code, because it is asking you to provide the evidence of the format. So if I don't okay, let's see for the other ones. If I don't see that, then I will open it again. Now in the master document, maintain the existing spacing, formatting and punctuation, and replace the chevrons and text each time they appear with the following merged fields from the data source files. Okay, from the data source, this is the field name and the data to replace. TLE should be replaced with, how do you replace that? So you will going to select. Now make sure you do not select any spaces. If you do, then put back the spaces. Like sometimes it is automatically selected. It's difficult to not select the spaces. So what you're going to do is, first when you insert from the merge fields, insert title, then put the space yourself. L name would be the last name. So this is what you have to do. You're just going to select the text and replace it with the proper field name. Job, I think that would be the position. Yes, position. Now these fields are coming from the original data source file. Now if you right click on this, then you will see the toggle field codes. This is what I was looking for, the date, toggle field codes. So what do you see? It's kind of a braces, it's kind of a code. Within the braces there is something written in the capitals, merge field, and then the name of the field. So this is the thing that is mentioned over here. I will also see if we can, let me see, options. Okay, show field codes, show document content, show field codes. इसमें अभी भी नहीं आ रहा. Okay, yes, the problem was that it was inserted as a constant. We don't want a constant, we want to update it, update automatically. Then this is how it is going to be. This is how you're going to show the format. And when you right click and I'm going to turn off that option again. Go to options and advanced, uncheck the show field codes. Now see, right click, toggle field codes, and this is what you're going to see. And this is the screenshot that they are asking in the paper, showing the format of the date field code. Now let's go to the next ones. Interview at time, mailings, insert merge fields, time, day. This is the length of the interview, how much. Contact person, pay, wage. Be careful about the spaces. Probation period would be attend ORG's trainer. This is duration, start date, spacing, and then end date. Replace the text candidate name with your name over here. Okay, In the footer, include your name. Okay. Now you are done with all the fields. How to see if it is giving the correct data? Go to the mailings, see, preview the results. When you preview the results, you see the navigation bar at the top. This is letter number 1 to Mr. White. So you go forward and you can see the information will automatically change. So this is what we want. Actually we have 11 letters for now. Okay. Now in your exam you will be asked to filter your letters so that only I think maybe 3 4 maximum 4 letters will be required. You will be required to print. So the filter would be mentioned as a criteria. Set an automated filter to select the records. Automated filter means you don't have to manually select your recipients. How to select that? You will go to the recipient, edit recipient list. Sometimes it asks that don't send this to this person, like Mr. J. Don't send it to Mr. J. So you will just simply uncheck it from here. But recently they have been asking to set an automated filter, so you have to select from here, filter. In the filter, what do you need? Technical area, this is the field name. The value is digital. Technical area, digital. So field technical area equals to digital and level is 3 or more. So two options, two filters is there. Here you might be asked and or. And means both of the options should be correct, or means any of the option can be correct. What was it? The level. The level is greater than or equal to, or you can have greater than or equal to 3. The filter is not applied. Let's do it again. Technical area equal to digital and level is greater than equal to 3. Press OK, and now you can see we have 3 letters left. You can also check the technical area is coming digital and the level is 3 4 5. Make sure that you are selecting the correct criteria. So as I said, in the exam you the final letters might be 3 or 4. I don't think we have any time we had any 5 letters. So maximum 4 letters have been there. Press OK. Now in the end, what you need to do, you have applied the filter, you have applied all the field codes. Merge and print the letters for the selected recipients only. What you will do at the last, you will finish and merge. You can directly print it, so only 3 documents should be printed, but just to be sure, select edit individual documents, merge records all, and a new document will open, letters. And if you look closely, we have 3 pages. So 3 pages meaning I have 3 letters merged. And as you can see, I have one for Mr. Sinclair, one for Miss Singh, and one for Miss Warner. And this is what you have to print. Okay. Now if you look closely, my print document is having the merge fields. It is showing me the merge fields print. you will be only required to do the printing of the merge fields from the master document. From the master document, you need to go to File, Options, Advanced, and in the Advanced go to the Print options. In the Print options, uncheck this print field codes. Check or uncheck, it's up to you. If you want to if your field codes are not coming in the print and you have to print the field codes of the master document, then you will check this. If their values are coming, then check this. Okay, and print. Now you see, now my values are coming for the master document. This was my sorry this is my master document, and I have to show the merge field values, not the merge field codes, not the values. So I need to keep this on. Advanced, Print, where did it go? Print field codes instead of the values. Let's go to the print again, and now you see I have the field codes. For the master document, it should be printed like this. Okay, I am going to print a PDF. Print to File, Adobe PDF. Yeah, so this should be my printout. Now coming to my letters. For the letters, I have to print the 3 letters. Print, and I don't want to show the print codes now, so I have to turn them off. Advanced, uncheck it, and then print. Now as you can see, the values are printed. Okay.